If you have an annoying yellow line stuck on your screen while editing in CapCut PC, let's turn it off immediately so you can get back to your timeline. This feature is actually called the preview axis. It lets you glide over your video and make quick cuts wherever your mouse moves without having to click first. While it can make editing a bit faster if you get used to it, it is usually just distracting and gets in the way of your main playhead. To disable this line right now, move your mouse cursor over to the top right section of your timeline area. Look right above your video tracks and next to the drag magnet icons. You will see a small button that looks like a vertical line with a double-sided horizontal arrow cutting through it. If you hover your mouse over this icon, text will appear that says Turn off Preview Axis. Click that button once. You will see the icon dim and the yellow line will instantly disappear from your editing workspace. Now there is a much quicker way to control this if you accidentally turn it back on. The keyboard shortcut to toggle the preview axis on and off is the S key. If you press S on your keyboard, the yellow line comes back. If you press S again, it goes away. In my case, I accidentally hit this key all the time while trying to use other shortcuts, which is exactly how that line shows up out of nowhere. The important thing to keep in mind is the trade-off here. When you turn off the preview axis, you lose the ability to quickly skim through your footage and cut clips instantly wherever your mouse is hovering. You will have to go back to clicking on the timeline manually and moving your main playhead to the exact frame before you can make a cut. For most editors, losing that skimming feature is worth it to get rid of the visual clutter on the timeline. If you ever want to use it for heavy cutting sessions later on, just remember to tap that S key to bring it right back.